Hello guys, plumbing is not fun, but you need to take care of it. So I'm unclogging bathroom sink. Actually, it's two sinks connected together, and they got clogged up pretty good. I mean, really good. Okay. So anyway, I'm using K50 snake machine or drain machine, and it's the preferred choice of professional plumbers or do-it-yourself. And I'm using 5/8 in diameter snakes, and I'm gonna put probably 9 or 10 sections together. So each section is 7.5 feet. So if I have to put 10 snakes, you can imagine it's gonna be 75 feet, right? Something like that. So 75 feet or 10 sections inside the pipe is gonna be a lot of weight. 75 feet of cable, and these cables are 5/8 of an inch in diameter. So you're talking about 20-30 pounds of cable or snake, you know. So you have to make sure you hold it really good, because you can lose them. I've seen it happening twice. But anyway, maybe this is for another video. So, what do you have to do first to unclog it? You have to clear the area around the sink. Move any objects away from the sink, drain, and pipes to give yourself enough space to work. You need to wear gloves. Then you need to remove the sink trap. It's a P-trap. It looks like a curved section on the pipe underneath the sink. And you need to have a bucket and a bunch of towels ready to catch any water or debris that will spill or drip when you remove the trap. When all these preparations are completed, position the K50 machine on the floor near the sink, and make sure that machine is on stable floor, and that the cable can reach the drain without any obstacles or obstruction. When you're ready, feed the cable into the drain. Feed slowly into the drain by hand until you feel the resistance. You might feel some resistance immediately, or it might take some time. If the cable is coiled and it's difficult to insert, rotate it gently as you push it in. When K50 machine is on and it's running, allow the cable to move through the drain. You might need to stop the machine a few times to push more cable into the drain, to attach more cables to each other. When you're working through the clog, you will feel the resistance. If you feel that machine is struggling, you have to stop and pull the cable back slightly to release some debris. This can help avoid pushing the clog further down the pipe. Once you feel that the resistance has decreased, or you have worked through the clog, slowly pull the cable out of the drain. And as you pulling it out, you might notice debris attached to the end of the cable. Inspect these debris and collect them. Sometimes you might need to repeat the procedure because Some clogs are really tough. You have to test the drain after you unclog it, or you think you unclog it, and you have to run water. Once you're done snaking, run the water down the drain to see if it flows freely. If the water drains properly, you successfully cleared the clog. And if the water is still draining slowly or backing up, you might need to repeat the snaking process. Maybe you might need to change a different attachment for tougher clogs. But if the water runs freely without backing up, you successfully unclogged the drain. You have to reinstall the P-trap that you disassembled earlier and clean up after yourself. The floor, the drain, the P-trap, sink, and the K50 Ridgid snaking machine. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. And please click subscribe and help us reach 1000 subscribers and stuff like that. It will help us post more interesting videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Catch you on the next one.